Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a miracle. And I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. And I hope you have a Happy New Year. I've been seeing these what I got for Christmas hauls. And of course I had to do one. So I'm so excited. I just want to put out there first, I'm super grateful for everything. And thank you to my family and friends who got me these things. I don't know why I said friends, like, my family literally got me this stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you what I got. Let's go. First, we're gonna go through makeup and jewelry, and then I'm gonna show you some of the other stuff I got. I don't know why I'm doing that. So, yeah. So for hello? This is one of my presents too. It's a moving tripod. And it wasn't staying with me. Stay with me, bestie. But anyway, first, I got this necklace with my name on it, a miracle, which is just so awesome because I've never been able to find like necklaces, keychains, anything growing up with my name on it. Like if you got a unique name, you know that feeling. The next piece of jewelry I got is this locket. It's so beautiful. It has a mother and daughter on it. My mom got it for me. So sweet. Then, for my Vampire Diaries fans out there, this is Catherine's daylight necklace. Yeah, her daylight necklace. And then I got Elena's daylight ring. Super cool. Vampire Diaries fans for the win. Yes. Team Damon, okay? Team Damon. This Where You Lead, I Will Follow necklace. If you like Gilmore Girls, I actually got this for me and my mom to match. And she has the Where You Lead one, and I have the Where You... I Will Follow. Sorry, I'm getting tired. Then next, Tiffany's. Oh my god! I was so excited for this gift. My parents know how much I wanted a Tiffany's necklace, and they got me one. It's this. Oh wait. It says love you, and then it has the nice Tiffany mint color, and then on the back our initials are engraved, our family. So sweet. Love that. Then, because I'm a fancy girl, I got pearls. What a beauty. And these are like, I don't know if this is doing it justice, but they're like such a light pink, like that natural white, and like a light, like the lightest purple. But they're just beautiful. And I was so excited to get some pearls. Every girl needs her pearls. I also got a pair. I also got some classic pearls. Just beautiful. For a night out on the town. I don't know where I'm going out on the town, but we'll see. Now, let's get into the makeup. So, I got the NYX gloss bombs, and this is the Vault. And like, if you know me, you know that I love these. Like, I just waste my money getting them in every color, and now I don't have to. So I love getting gifts because I don't have to actually buy anything. But yeah, every color, guys. Even the clear one. I wasn't about to pay for a clear gloss, so I'm glad I got it. It's the best. I got some eyeliners from NYX. I got some jumbo. What is this? Bro, when I make a YouTube video, I get so confused. I get too excited and I forget what I'm saying. You know these jumbo sticks, yeah. These are good for like the white ones are good for like the inner corner highlight. You know. You watch TikTok. What are we talking about here? And I'm not like throwing my stuff, I'm placing it down because I just saw a thing earlier where it's like people in what I got for Christmas videos throwing their stuff across the room. Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. I also got one of those advent calendars from NYX. And this is just a bunch of makeup that came in them that I opened from the days. Come on, video. Stay with me, stay with me. Okay. So these are just a bunch of different things that I opened during the days, the Advent. And actually, wait, let me find it. The one I'm wearing. Okay, so the one I'm wearing right now is the Soft Matte in the shade Budapest, if that's how you say it. I hope that's how you say it, bro. Let's see. What do we got next, besties? This lovely Coach bag with snowflakes on it. Like, now come on. This is just so adorable, and it's perfect for winter. Why do I sound like an ad? Bro, stay still. By Coach, and I'm just so excited. I've been wearing this since Christmas. Next up, I got this Betsey Johnson, and let me show you guys what this does. Like, let me show you. Look at that. Call me. Like and subscribe, why don't you? This is just too adorable. Rhinestones, look at that. Look at that. Like, what? But yeah, and it's pink. I'm gonna be wearing this bag so much. It kinda has 80s vibes, right? Like, girls just wanna have fun. Oh wait, I don't know why I ran out of breath like that, bro. What do we have next here? Oh, I forgot. I forgot about this bag too that I got. And this is Cruella de Vil. Look at that red. Slay. You're probably like, I'm tired of her. But no, you're not. Something that I got that was really cool, because I'm a feminist girly, and this is women's history cards. And it just gives you different dates of things that happen that are important in the history of women. And I just love that. Like, if you a feminist girly, or feminist anybody, get this, because it's super cool. I can't wait to read some of those. What do we have next? Because I'm getting tired. I'm getting hungry. So let's speed this up, bestie. So, I'm a model, baby. I got these platform Uggs. I don't even know how my parents found these. Thank you, mommy and daddy, because I was literally like, these are sold out online. I was like, bestie, please, please, Lord. Bella Hadid, who? Okay, please, girl, stop. That is weird. Lovely. Lovely. And they fit perfectly. Like, I'm not joking. I don't even know who these are by. These are just so beautiful. I've never had a pair of knee-high boots. Like, I love this gift. If you know me as well, or if you don't, just know I love Ariana Grande perfume, okay? It is so good. I got the Mod Vanilla, and I got the Mod Blush. This one is definitely a little stronger and like that more like, I don't even, guys, I'm not a perfume expert. I don't know why I keep trying to explain these, but literally this is just like how it's described, blush. Like, it's a more tart, it's a more persistent smell. It's vanilla. And it smells like vanilla, like it smells like cookies. It's really good. You can read the notes of these perfumes later. Listen, I'm no perfume expert. I don't even know. I'm hungry. I'm starving. You're taking too long. Oh wait, I'm talking to myself. Anyway, I got this black leather jacket. This is by Future Collective. Love this brand so much. We have a Gilmore Girls theme going on, me and my mom, because that's our favorite show to watch together. And look at this, y'all. Dragonfly Inn. This is the prettiest pink. Stars Hollow, Connecticut. People are gonna think I went to Stars Hollow. Guess what? It's not even real. But it was real to me. It was real to me, okay? This one really was, I don't know, I'm talking like that. Sorry guys, I'm getting so tired. This one really made me jump for joy. Like, I'm not joking. This is a Penny Lane jacket. This is a Penny Lane jacket, y'all. You know that. Almost Famous people, 70s people, you know what I'm talking about. Me and my parents all got these matching fuzzy jackets. I love the color brown. Like, I used to not like the color brown, but how can you not like the color brown? It's beautiful. It's like you like a teddy bear. But anyway, now I'm going to show you my last present. My grandma got this for me. This is crazy. Oh, hold on. Oh my god. Matches my outfit. Did I put on this outfit so that I match? You don't need to know that. Oh my god. Look at this, baby. Oh shit, and then I hit it. Oh my god. Clearly you could tell I'm not the guitarist yet, okay? But look at me. Guys, I'm wearing leggings and I'm falling off my bed. I'm trying to look cool for you, okay? I will be like swinging my hair and looking so cool playing this. Look at this. Thank you, Grammy and Pappy. I love this gift. I don't know how to play yet, but I will. I am a musician. I didn't just like get a guitar out of nowhere. I'm a singer. And soon, not that soon, don't get your hopes up. Hopefully I can play the guitar too while I'm singing. But let's not get too crazy here. For now, I just look good. But anyway, thank you for watching my what I got for Christmas. Use this haul as you will. Use it for your birthday. Use it for whatever you want, like I said. And I just hope you guys have a happy holiday. Happy New Year. Start setting them goals. And I'll see you next video. Bye.